homemade In-N-Out burgers. Y'all, these were so easy to make and they were so delicious. This is the best burgers we have ever made at home. I hope you all enjoyed watching our cooking segment today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.
Look down at the spot.